This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. I'm here in the kitchen today because this is something I use in the kitchen, and it's just got sent to me by the folks at NuTek Food Science. This is their new Salt for Life product. Basically, it's a lower sodium salt. They do it with potassium, and I've had potassium salt before that was bitter. This stuff is rad. They contacted me, gosh, I want to say like 3 years ago now, and had my wife and I out, treated her and my son Miles. This was before Mimi was born. And they went to the zoo, and I got to go to their headquarters and taste test their stuff, and it was a really cool experience and a lot of fun. If you go to the travels section, there's a whole travel log about it and an interview I did with the president of the company, Brian, and that came out really good, and yeah, you should check it out. But anyways, I've got it here. We just ran out of our last bottle of their Salt for Life product, and we use it a lot. We do a lot of baked chicken in the oven, and it's great. I love it. So here, awesome. New bottle, so that's good. We'll definitely be using this. Thank you very much. You can find this on Amazon. Oh, sweet. They sent two. Is this the same? Extra fine. Yeah, it says extra fine. Okay, yeah, it's definitely less coarse. Not that it was like ultra coarse to begin with, but yeah, very cool. What else do we have here? They mentioned this is Beyond Himalayan Extra Fine Mineral Salt. Interesting. Yeah, I've never really done the Himalayan salt thing before. So, wow, that's cool. But yeah, if you're on a sodium restricted diet, this is cool stuff because it's lower sodium. What does it say right here? Regular table salt is 500 milligrams of sodium per quarter teaspoon. That's a lot. Theirs is, oh wow, okay, yeah, this is 140 milligrams of sodium per quarter teaspoon. Table salt is 500 milligrams of sodium per quarter teaspoon. So this is definitely a lot. Yeah, it says 75% 75% less sodium than table salt. So cool. And yeah, big shout out to Scott over there and everybody at NuTek Food Science. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, your Salt for Life, your Himalayan salt, and your noodles and everything. And have a good one. Bye.